Hey everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Shabu Shabu cucumber cold soba. Crunchy cucumber and cold soba go perfect together. The texture is amazing and perfect for summer season. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut cucumber into thin strips. Cut shiso leaves into thin strips. Cook thinly sliced pork for shabu shabu in a boiling water until no longer pink. Drain well and leave to cool. Cook 3 bundles of dried soba noodles according to the package. Usually one package contains 3-4 bundles. Drain well, wash very well with running water. Put in ice water and drain well. Now let's make the sauce. You need mentyu, sesame oil, and vinegar. Regular white vinegar is okay. Put cold soba in a large bowl. Cooked pork, cucumber strips, shiso leaf strips, and white sesame seeds. Mix well. If you're going to serve it later, you can coat the sauce later. Toast or coat if you serve it immediately. Serve on a dish. Garnish with grape tomatoes. You can add hot sauce if you like. You can also add your favorite condiments to spice up to your taste. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. How is it? Okay.
皆さんまで作ってください。はい。
ヘタを取りたいでしょ。
上手。
上手。取れたね。
何？
トマトです。トマト。リンゴじゃないですよ。トマト。食べないよ。
食べたいよ。
はい。美味しいね。
パパは？
パパ倒れてるね。